Abantu baseNingizimu Afrika banembuzo eminingi ngaleli cala. Okuseqhulwini ukuthi bafuna ukubona kwenziwa ubulungiswa. Bekunenye imashi ebibanjelwe eMatatiyeli namhlanje yokweseka izisulu zokudlwengulwa. Abahlali bafuna ukuthi amaphoyisa aphuthumise uphenyo lwawo.
Sidecide ukuba nathi masisenze imarch kule nto yenzekileyo ke apha eMatatiyela, where for now we can only count 4 kids that were raped. What is making it a bit painful is that up to now only a suspect that has been arrested ngumntu okuthiwa uye wareyipha enye ezingcwelerha esithetha ngazo namhlanje.
Umphenyi omkhulu kuleli cala ube nethemba lokuthi namhlanje uzokhuluma nomama kaCwecwe. Kodwa ke lokho kwabhuntsha ngenxa yengozi yemoto.
We are told she has been involved in a single vehicle accident along the way to Matatiyela. As a caring employer, we have ensured that she gets the necessary support. So employee health and wellness experts have been dispatched to attend to her.
Amaphoyisa asazokhuluma nabanye odokotela abahlola uCwecwe ngosuku lwesigameko. Akakaboshwa uthishanhloko wesikole okwenzeka kuso lesi sigameko.